my name is Jasmine McDonald. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I can't believe it, but we have 1,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel and I'm just like completely shocked and so surprised and so grateful. Thank you so much to everybody who subscribed. 1,000. I was like, oh my god, there's 1,000 people here. So thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sundays. And if you've not seen my leotard haul, I'll put that right up here. And if you have not subscribed, you may as well click that subscribe button, click that little bell notification because you're already here anyways. Today's video, I want to try on some of my old costumes from when I was like 14 or like 12. They're really pretty. I don't have my tutu today, unfortunately, which would be another bonus. However, I will be doing a part 2 of this series if you like this one, and I'll be trying it on with the actual tutu. So like and comment down below if you want to see that. Without further ado, let's get started into the very first tutu costume today. I should also preface this by saying I'm at my mom's, so that's why everything looks a little bit different. But I also wanted to show off my new skirt from HIIIII, and this is another one I've been loving wearing when I'm teaching because it also has the shorts underneath, so I never have to worry about wearing shorts or tights underneath or too much. So it has the little shorts underneath, like it's a skirt and a skirt. But yeah, I really like this one, and you've seen this one before if you've watched that video. Again, I'll put the link up here and description box below to watch my leotard haul. But this was one I got for my birthday this year, and it's a Yumiko paired with an HIIIII skirt I just recently got, and it's really cute, and I like the pleating on it and the color. So change of plans. Logistically speaking, it would be really difficult to do with the costumes with the tutu because the way it hangs, it just doesn't look as nice. So I'm definitely gonna have to do that tomorrow when I'm back at my apartment, and I can use my tutu to show that one. So stay tuned for the next time I upload a video. That will definitely be the tutu one. But for today, since I have some more ballet warm-ups, I figured I could wear those as well. Some warm-ups that I would usually wear. So the first one I'm gonna start with this little Sancha piece, and it's a one piece. Unfortunately, it's ripped at the seam, so I won't do a demonstration of a grommet or anything, but I love the color of this one. I had a blue one, but somebody took it, unfortunately. The only thing I would say about this is go a size up because it does run a little bit small, but it's got tees, which I really like. So when you're getting ready for class, you just feel like your whole body's getting warm, and it's not like the sweat material where it feels like you're just sweating for no reason. So I really like these just to stay warm during rehearsal and during class, and it's a really cute pattern and it's really comfy. The next one that I'm going to show is a skirt that I didn't have in the last video, and I really like this skirt. I just don't wear it that often because of the fit. It's just a little bit too small, but it's got little velvet and sparkly designs on it, which is so pretty. So I really like this one, and it's just a wraparound one, the ones that wrap around like this. As you can see, I would tie it at the back, and like I said in my last skirt video, if you haven't watched that, I'll put that up here. If you watched that one, I said that I didn't like this fit as much. It's just a little bit too... For me, I like ones that flow a little bit longer now that I am in the ripe age of 37 years old. I'm kidding. But I definitely like the other fit better, the Yumiko. This one's really nice, and I really like how it's a little bit sheer, but you can see it's got the little velvets and the sparkles, and it's quite pretty. Yeah, this is another skirt that I just didn't have in the moment. Now, I have some leg warmers I didn't show in the last video either, and I love these ones. They're from Pekka, leg warmers Pekka, and it's in Romania, and they're handmade, and you can just see the quality of them is really nice. And I chose the colors. You can pick the colors kind of like how in Yumiko you can, and pick the fit as well. And the fit that I got is the one that goes right up to the leg, keeps my whole leg warm, and then has a little flare at the end, like a little pair of flare pants. Anybody that was born in the 90s remembers these in the 2000s that cursed us. Are they having a comeback? Flares are having a comeback, aren't they? I don't know. This is the look that I used to go for a lot, especially I like a lot of blues and greens, and this one went really nicely. Another set of leg warmers that I got from Pekka are just the mini version of those, and they just look like this. I'll put one on and then keep the other Pekka leg warmer on just so you can see the difference. So it's just a little bit smaller, and it's just meant for your calves, so if you're wearing pants already, it's kind of perfect. Or if you had like an ankle injury and you just want to keep it warm, this one was really nice. So I have both sets of these ones. I just can't find the other one right now. Oh my gosh, this one's so itty bitty. It used to fit me, and it definitely doesn't anymore. This was a gift from one of my friends. It's so little. Oh my gosh. This would be perfect as like a Balanchine skirt. It's so tiny. I feel comfortable wearing it now. I mean, I'm wearing tights and a leotard, so I'm pretty covered, but still, it's really short. You can see your legs, and that's what's important. Okay, this one you can definitely tell it's well worn. It's kind of ripped, but I really like the color of it, and the length is perfect. I like this one a lot. This was also a gift from one of my good friends in Romania. Really pretty color. Just a little bit ripped. You can just easily tuck that in, or if you're wearing tights on top, just roll it on top, but otherwise, the length is perfect, the fit is really nice, and it goes really well with this gray, and I really like this one a lot. Last one I have of this group today, just because I failed to bring my tutu here, so that tutu one will be the next upload. But I have this really pretty Sancha skirt, and it's blue. It's a little bit small, and I would get a size bigger, but it's such a pretty color. I couldn't part with it. And it definitely doesn't fit me now. I would definitely go with a size larger or size bigger, but either way, it's just such a pretty color. I can't part with it. I love this blue. Anyways, I know this video is kind of short, and I had hoped to do my tutu one because I did hit 1,000 subscribers, and again, I'm so fortunate, but I just had to make a video anyways because I was so excited when I saw that. Thank you for all the support. Thank you so much, all of my amazing subscribers. I promise I'll have the tutu one up by next week. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. Thanks for watching, and bye now. Just thought I would preview these. I mean, this is what I wanted to show. And this one. I wanted to show all of these, and I have some surprises underneath as well that are very interesting colors, but that'll have to wait, so you can just see there is no way I can wear this without a tutu because it was just hello. So until next time, thanks again for watching. Bye!
By 7 o'clock tonight, we'll be out of the country and you'll never see us again.